Hello and welcome. I'm Gyanusha Malik and you're watching The Hans India. And on the occasion of Ambedkar Jayanti, in this video, we highlight how he has been honored across the world for his contributions to social justice, equality and democracy. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of India's constitution, a crusader for social justice and a voice for the voiceless. Decades after his passing, Dr. Ambedkar's legacy continues to inspire movements for equality, justice and human rights, not just in India but across the world. On April 14, 1990, Baba Saheb Ambedkar was posthumously awarded with India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. That same year, his life-size portrait was unveiled in the Central Hall of the India's Parliament. The Government of India declared the period from April 1990 to April 1991 as the year of social justice in his memory. In 2015, to mark his 125th birth anniversary, the Indian government released Rs 10 and Rs 125 coins in the honor. On April 14, 2015, Google also paid a global tribute with a special doodle seen not only in India but also in Argentina, Chile, Ireland, Peru, Poland, Sweden and the United Kingdom. From 2016 to 2018, the United Nations celebrated Ambedkar Jayanti, recognizing his global impact to human rights and social justice. In 2017, the government of Maharashtra declared April 14th as Gyan Din or Knowledge Day, celebrating his intellectual legacy. That same year, Twitter launched a dedicated Ambedkar emoji, a symbol of digital age respect for a timeless icon. His ideas have echoed across borders. In Canada, April 14th is officially observed as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Day of Equality in Burnaby and as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Equality Day across the province of British Columbia. In 2022, British Columbia also recognized April as Dalit History Month, paying tribute to the communities Ambedkar fought for. In the United States, the state of Colorado declared April 14, 2022 as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Equity Day. Back in India, the government of Tamil Nadu observes Ambedkar Jayanti as Equity Day, celebrating his unwavering commitment to fairness and inclusion. From the halls of parliament to the hearts of people across the world, Baba Saheb's legacy lives on. He was not just a leader, he was a revolution, a renaissance, a reason why millions dare to dream of equality. And with that, we ask everyone to fight for casteism, to fight for equality. For more news and updates, stay tuned to The Hans India.